Yo, what's up? This is your boy Glenda RSA, aka Mr. Vesicitude. You know the vibe. So, guys, we out here in Midrand today. Oh, the sun is hot, man. So, hey, the lighting. Oh. But, anyways, guys, we have to do the most. So, I'll be going around asking few people a question. So, today's question is about the beds. Beds, like beds, like beds, bruh. Not like bed, but beds, bruh. Anyways, so the question is there are 10 beds in a tree. There are 10 beds in a tree. So a shooter kills one bed. Ne? A shooter shoots one bed. How many beds are left? So there are 10 in the tree. There are 10 in the tree. A shooter shoots one bed. How many beds are left? So this one is easy, guys. Come on. I mean, when you wouldn't stand there, you are with your friends, a group of friends, and then they shoot one of your friends. Are you gonna stand there and wait for them to shoot you? You're not gonna do that, right? So the answer is basically is none of the beds are gonna stay because I wanna stay behind. Who wants to die, dog? No one wants to die. So yeah, man. So if you shoot one bed, obviously all of them are gonna fly away, bro. So yeah. So that's the answer. None. None beds left. Zero beds left. So that's the answer basically. So yeah, man, I really can't wait to hear what people are gonna say. What people are gonna say, how they're gonna, reply to the question. If you are new in the channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share the video. So yeah, guys, do the most. I love you guys. Ha. How are bro? How are you?
XXC, bro. I'm good and you?
I'm good. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, you can ask.
How smart are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
It depends which situation.
It depends on the situation.
Yeah.
Yeah, but okay, right now I'm asking, how smart are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
9.
9.
Yeah, according to my experience.
According to your experience, you're 9.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna ask you a question.
Yeah.
There are 10 beds in a tree.
Yeah.
10 beds in a tree. A shooter,
Yeah.
shoots one bed.
Yeah.
How many beds are left?
It's 9.
Why are you saying it's 9?
Because you said the shooter shoot at only one bed
Yeah.
out of 10 beds.
Yeah.
So we will exclude one, then the 9 will remain.
Then
9 beds.
the 9 beds will remain
Yeah.
on the tree.
Yeah. Because the shooter shoot at only one bed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once the bullet goes up, other beds will distribute, run away.
Run
because
away.
of
Wait,
one
are you
gunshot.
saying 9 beds are left or none are left?
9 beds will be left?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bruh.
So when are you saying 9 beds will be left, but they will fly away?
No, Angiti, when the shooter aim one bed, when the bullet comes out, the noise will make other beds to run away. So the shooter won't be able to shoot other ones. So that's what I'm saying. He will shoot only one bed out of 10 beds. So 9 will remain.
Hey, it's not make sure. It's true. It's not make sure.
9 will remain.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure, bruh.
Okay, wait, look at the camera and explain what you're saying.
Bruh, I'm saying this man asked me, Guti, there's 10 beds in a tree, and it. So, while the shooter is shooting, he will shoot one bed. So, he asked Guti, how many beds will remain when the shooter once shooted the bed? So, I'm saying 9 will remain out of 10. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bruh.
9 will remain.
Yeah, 9 will remain
on the tree.
Yeah.
They will remain on the tree.
No, they will run away. In terms of the gunshot noise. Yeah.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, you can.
How smart are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm not sure. 5. Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna ask you a question now.
Okay.
There are 10 birds in a tree.
Mhm.
10 birds in a tree.
Mhm.
A shooter shoots one. How many birds are left in the tree?
Isn't it 10?
Are you sure?
10 or 9? Okay. No, it can't be 9. 10. I don't know.
Okay, let me ask you again. Yeah, let me
Okay.
ask you again. So let me ask you again. There are 10 birds in a tree.
Mhm.
10 birds in a tree. A shooter shoots one. How many birds are left in the tree?
Did it fall on the ground?
Yeah, it fell on the ground. Obviously, you shoot it dead.
So it's 9. Is it 9?
10 birds left. So when imagine, let's say, it's you and I. We're walking in the streets. They shoot me. You wanna stand there and look, wait for them to shoot you as well. How are you, bro? How are you?
Yes, sir. I'm chilling you.
I'm good. Can I ask you a question?
Go on.
How smart are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
You smart?
Like
Like 10.
100%.
You sure?
200%.
So can I ask you a question?
Shoot.
There are 10 birds
Mm-hmm.
in a tree.
Mm-hmm.
A shooter shoots one.
Mm-hmm.
How many are left?
10.
10
9.
birds are left.
9 birds are left.
Are you sure?
9 birds are left.
9 birds are left.
Correct.
And you said you're smart out of on a scale of 1 to 10, you 10.
Yeah, bro. There are 10 birds on a tree.
Yeah.
The shooter shoots one.
Yeah. How many are left?
So that one isn't gonna fall down?
How many are left?
Still 9.
You sure?
Sure.
Bro, you. How smart are you? Let me ask you for the last time. How smart are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
I said 10.
You're still saying 10.
Yeah.
And you see, you're still saying there are 9 birds left.
I mean,
Okay, let me repeat the question.
mhm.
There are 10 birds in a tree. Right? 10 birds in a tree. A shooter shoots one. How many birds are left?
Left as in left.
Are left.
Left on the tree.
Yeah.
Oh, man, come on. Oh, fuck. It's 0. Because they all flew away.
It's what?
It has to be 0 because they flew.
Are you sure?
Do you think they will leave there? You think they will wait there? My G. Come on.
Are you sure?
Seriously.
You sure? No?
They left.
How do you know they left?
They gone. He shot one, so one is dead, obviously. Or if he missed it, maybe 10 of them are left.
Are you sure?
Maybe 10 of them left. Come on, man. Confidently so.
And we have reached the end of the video. Yo, what's up, guys? So we have reached the end of the video. This is your boy Glenda RSA, aka Mr. Vesicitude. You know the vibe. So if you have liked the video, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share it to your friends. So yeah, man, you know what it is. Nasty, vamos.
Yeah, boy. Like I got 2 wheels on me, go rob me like bike. Damn. That's how she sound when I pipe. She said her man nigga don't do it.